Hey guys, it's Remo and we're here at one of our ADUs that just got started. And so what got me thinking is, this is such a great opportunity for all homeowners or landlords to help either create additional rental income through the rental property, or if you're interested in building one in your own home, it can help offset your mortgage. So we decided to put together a workshop that goes through this new kind of craze, and it's referred to as an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit, and the ability of building one of these really again at your home or your rental. So there'll be a link somewhere here to register around this video, or below, maybe in the link in the bio. And we asked, if you are interested in this, please join us. It's free, there's no cost, we're not gonna sell you anything, we don't get financially compensated by anyone for sharing this, but I think it's such a great opportunity that maybe it's not for you right now, but it's something to definitely be aware of and all the moving parts of it. I personally have gone through the process of many of these, dealing with the architect, the engineer, everything that comes around it with the city, the county, dealing with, digging into the public street, what all that entails, and we're really willing to share all that with you. So if you're interested in learning about ADUs, this workshop is definitely for you. Again, there's no cost and you're not going to get sold anything. So with that being said, we want to say thank you. We look forward to seeing you on our workshop. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime. All the best. We'll see you soon.